At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first women's watch by Anne Klein is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Owners give high praise for the sophisticated, elegant look of this watch, and it gets top marks for its quality design. Also rated highly in terms of fit and versatility, as the watch can be worn alone or with any or all of the bracelets. Here are the cons. Some reported issues with the gold plating wearing off over time. The best reviews bottom line. An excellent quality watch praised for its workmanship and beautiful style. We rated this Casio women's watch as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Owners appreciate the aesthetically pleasing look, solid construction, and that it is easy to read. Water resistant, with users praising its ability to be worn while swimming and holding up well to frequent hand washing. Lightweight and comfortable. Here are the cons. A few users experienced issues with the band breaking or becoming discolored. Face is smaller than some expected. The best reviews bottom line. A sturdy watch that offers excellent fit, functionality, and features at an affordable price point. The next women's watch by Timex is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Users praise both the sleek look and practical functionality of this watch, giving it high marks for standing up well over time. Also stands out for its ease of use and helpful Indiglo light up feature. Versatile look that coordinates well with any outfit. Here are the cons. A few minor issues were reported, including ticking noise and fit of the band. The best reviews bottom line. A durable watch that offers good functionality and a combination of classic and elegant styling. We ranked this Avon women's watch as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. A beautiful style that complements most outfits and is easy to use. Users praise this watch for being comfortable, well made, and a good value for the price. We give it top marks for its unobtrusive design. Here are the cons. The ticking of the watch is a con for some. Occasional issues with the water resistance feature. The best reviews bottom line. A solid choice for a woman's watch that is lightweight. This women's watch by Armatron is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Users love the stylish look that is both sophisticated yet casual enough for everyday wear. Comfortable, easy to program, and fits a variety of wrist sizes. Water resistant with a classy look. Here are the cons. Quality control could use improvement as a few users had issues with watches breaking, and some owners report color fades over time. The best reviews bottom line. A casual yet elegant watch with that stands out as a good value for the cost.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.